This is just a quick tutorial on how to use the Dex Screener. So that is the Dex Screener application. You can find it anywhere, Apple Store, Play Store, wherever you can find it. So this is the main page after you've entered into Dex Screener. So you're just gonna click on pairs, which is the different chains. We have the Solana chain, Ethereum chain, Base, Avalanche, whichever chain that you want to buy meme coins on. Obviously, Solana is the most trending, so we're going to click on Solana. Then we have all the dexes. Then we have sort. You're going to click on sort. You can sort these tickers based on most transactions, most volume, most liquidity, new pair, and old pairs, highest market cap and lowest market cap. Then you can also sort it by 24-hour change, 6-hour change, 1-hour change, 5-hour change. And we're going to click on most transactions. So these are the coins that have been getting the most transactions today. First one, second one, third one, off guy. You can find all these different coins. As you can see, off guy is down 51%, meaning that they might be ragging the chart. But you can also find other gems within this. You can find gems. You can simply just scroll through. These are the different tickers. Something is on, basically, let's say, buy this contract address. Buy this contract address has a market cap of 165k, liquidity 38k. It's up 7,000% in the last day. This pair was created 20 hours ago. It is down 66% in the last 6 hours. Now you can also look at the chart right here on Dex Screener. Simple. Get the chart. You can see that there is a lot of selling pressure. You can also look at the chart and transactions at the same time. So these are transactions happening in real time. 15 seconds, 22 seconds, 23 seconds. These are people selling in red. Then in green, it's people that are buying. Then on the side, we have the different animals. We have whales, we have shrimps. This one is a shrimp. He bought for. Then we have all these different fish. Then there are also whales. Then you can click on top traders. Top traders will give you all the people that made money. Someone bought for $400, made $10,000, P&L $10,000, and the wallet is right here. The person was a whale. Then we have fish. He bought for $200, sold for $9,000. P&L $8,900. So these are the different people that have already sold and made a lot of money on this particular coin. Then we have holders. You can look at the holders. A specific address is holding more than 10% of the supply, meaning that is not a good coin. So you can browse through this, get more information, just simply looking at the transactions, looking at the chart, looking at the number of holders. As you can see, one wallet is holding 7% of the supply. Also a bit dangerous. So we look at coins where the largest address is holding less than 1% of the supply. So that is how Dex Screener works. We also have trending. You can click on trending. It's going to give you all the trending coins, all the trending Solana meme coins. Then we have Moonshot, which is basically coins that will be dropping. These are coins where they're still building up Solana. You can invest in them in the early stages. Then we have new. These are very, very new tokens. These are very, very new coins. And that is basically how you use Dex Screener. Simple, straightforward. All the information is right in front of you. You just need to know how to interpret that information.